Hi guys, in this lecture we will focus on types of goods. So what are types of goods? There are two type of goods as far as economics is concerned. One is your economic goods and the other one are your free goods. What is the difference between economic goods and free goods? Economic good is the one that is available in limited supply, and you have used your resources on the production of those goods. You have utilized scarce resources on the production of economic goods. So remember, economic goods are those that are in limited supply, in limited supply, and resources are utilized on production on the production of these goods. Whenever you are using your limited resources on the production of the goods will be classified as economic goods. So remember, these are the two distinguishing features, these are the two characteristics, in fact, of distinguishing whether a good is economic good or the good is a free good. Economic goods, they are in limited supply, and number two, you are using resources on the production of these type of goods. While on the other hand, we have free goods. Free goods are those goods that are unlimited in supply. They are available in unlimited supply or available in abundance, and resources are not utilized. Resources are not utilized on production of these goods. So those goods that are in unlimited supply, those goods that are provided in abundance, and you are not utilizing your resources on the production of these goods, they include air, seawater, rain, and sunlight. While all the other goods will be economic goods, your chocolates, your mobile phones, your iPads, your food that you are growing, you are utilizing your resources on the production of the food. They are all your economic goods, like food, cars, and so on and so forth. So all of these goods will be your economic goods. There is one important thing that I want you guys to remember, is that goods that are available free of cost, goods that are available without any charges, they are not free goods. You cannot classify them as free goods because still resources are utilized on the production of those type of goods. For instance, if we have a public park that is available without any charge, or if we have a lighthouse that is providing light to everyone, or if we have street lights, they are not free good. If you are not paying for the good, they won't be classified as free goods. So please guys, remember this thing, remember this note. Goods available at zero price are not free in an economist sense. In an economist sense, if resources have been, if you are utilizing the resources on the production of those goods. So if resources have been utilized or have been used to produce them. So if you are using your resources on producing those goods, then those goods will not be classified as free goods. So remember this thing. If resources have been used to produce those goods, if you are using your scarce resources, you are using your limited resources on the production of certain goods, then those goods will not be free. Okay, so goods that are available without any charge, like street lights, they are not classified as free goods. Free goods are only those goods that are in unlimited supply and your resources, your limited resources are not utilized on the production of those goods. Okay guys, take care.